Something a little different. I was digging through old videos looking for something the other day and I came across this. Yes, a Formula One experience. Which I had the good fortune to participate in. Although I have to say, it's not all I hoped for. Yes, it was a while ago now, and it was with my good buddy Tim Mills from Purple Helmet Motorcycles. And I think we were celebrating his 100th birthday or something. He decided it would be a good idea if we went and drove a Formula One car once in our lives, and I have to admit I thought it was a good idea too. The reality was it was a very small track. It was actually a go-kart track, which would have been great fun in a go-kart. And they kicked us off in Ferrari 360s and Aston Martin. Progressing up to Formula Ford, Formula First, can't remember. Was the Formula 3 cars because they were kind of small enough to have some fun on the circuit. However, thanks to the organisers' stringent rules and regulations, if anyone spun at any point during the day, then no one got to drive a Formula One car. So yeah, couldn't really have fun, couldn't really push it at all in anything. This was a little bit concerning because our contingent included my good friend David Birchall, who's a complete nutcase, and we were all quite concerned that he was going to ruin it for everyone, but he didn't. He's a good lad. So Dave went out first and kept on the black stuff, good boy, and we had a thoroughly good time. Then finally it was my turn to get into the cockpit, and I have to say it wasn't particularly easy. It's pretty tight in there, and yeah, it was quite a squeeze, and I could barely move the pedals. Actually, my feet were so tight it actually really hurt. But so I'll shut up and let you enjoy some in-car stuff. I have to say, despite I'm moaning about the whole event, the acceleration was phenomenal. Would I recommend the overall experience? Absolutely. A chance to drive a Formula One car should be grabbed at any opportunity, obviously. There are better places to do it, more expensive obviously, I'm not sure if Paul Ricard in France still offer this kind of Formula One experience, but I've heard it's a lot better there. So if you're going to do it, splash out, do it properly, treat yourself. So that was a little bit different. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it the thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. Yes, and encourage others to watch my lunacy.